Merry Christmas.
Good morning. Merry Christmas. How you doing, buddies? Huh? How you doing? Hi.
Come see what Santa got. Come see what Santa got you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is that?
A computer.
A computer. And what did Santa bring Christian? What is it? Oh, what is it? Oh, what is it? Oh, an iPod. No way, dude. Look at this guy with his new computer. What do you think, Maddie?
It's like Iron Man.
It's like Iron Man.
It's not working.
Well, it's not turned on just yet. Let me see. Wow, that's fancy.
It's not my Iron Man. It's not my Iron Man. Only got working.
Wow, is that your Iron Man?
Okay, we're going to turn it on. Give a big smile for Daddy, because we're going to send this to him. There's the tiny one on his first Christmas. And there's a Grumpy. Hi, Tiny. All right.